At some time while you were at the university, did you meet Dr. Sargon Lazaroff?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and under what circumstances did you meet him?
He was my student.
In endodontics?
In endodontics.
And did you have any contact with him after he graduated?
No.
Okay. When is the first time after he graduated that you had contact with him?
1994 or 3, I think. 3 or 4.
Okay, and describe for me what are the circumstances under which you met up with him again.
We were very interested in getting into implantology as a graduate program.
Okay.
I actually tried to take a course in Brownie Mark system to get myself acquainted with it. And I called UCLA, and they said endodontists are not allowed to take the course. It is only prosthodontist, periodontist, and oral surgeon.
Okay.
And that created more interest that I really like to know what's going on, because we had to, as teachers, we should, get updated ourselves before we expect to update the students. And finally, I was really not very happy. So one day, one of my graduate students, he said, "Have you heard about this?" So we were in a seminar, and I said, I dream one day of a situation while we are doing surgery, and the case is not working because you lay a flap and the tooth is fractured. You pull the tooth and put an implant. And one of my students said to me, "There is such an implant, it's called Sargon." And I said, "Who was Sargon?" He said, "You remember Sargon Lazaroff?" I said, "Oh, yeah." And that was in a seminar. And the guy who told me this, actually one of our students in the seminar. We were talking about ideal situation. So he told me about the immediate implant that day.
Okay, and do you remember
And then
oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It was 94, 93.
I'm sorry, I interrupted you when I was trying to get the date on this so that we can put it in the context of...
The student name is Mark Ellis.
Okay.
One of our best graduates from the program. I remember it vividly because I felt, he said, "Lazaroff, you remember Sargon?" And then I remembered it.
Is Mark Ellis practicing in the LA area?
He's in Orange County. Yeah.
Is he an endodontist?
Mm-hmm. One of our graduates.
Okay. So you were at this seminar. Do you remember where that was?
It could be 3 or 4. Now, whenever he graduated, that guy.
I was saying where, since try to get...
Oh, it was in my seminar room 3 or 4.
Oh, okay. It was at USC.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Okay, so after Mark Ellis told you that there was an immediate load implant, what did you do?
I get out the seminar and I place a call. Where is he? He says in Beverly Hills. And I place a call to Sargon that day.
Okay.
And the rest was history. He answered the phone, and I said, "You remember me, Dr. Abbas?" He said, "Sure, Dr. Abbas. What did I do wrong?"
He thought he had done something wrong.
Right.
Okay, one of his...
Yeah, because most of my graduates, they always call me back asking about the problems and things like that. So I said about the implant. He immediately invited me to go to his office and witness actual demonstration, which I did, I think, a week later. And
you watched the surgery?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know approximately how many implants he had placed around that time?
That time, 2. Okay. 1 or 2. 2 molars, yeah. 2 lower left.
Okay.